This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with clean, damp hair because moisture helps the double butter cream absorb. Once your hair is towel tamed to about 80–90% wet, divide it into manageable sections. Take 1–2 pumps for each small section and warm the product between your palms to melt the butter for even spread. Apply from mid-shaft to ends first, then lightly work toward roots only where needed. This prevents weighing down the scalp while sealing and hydration and creating a baseline for styling. Once every section has a base, layer strategically. Apply lightweight leave-ins or water-based creams first, then seal with the double buttercream to lock moisture. This order prevents buildup and increases shine. Use a soft brush or Denman for curl definition, smoothing the cream along strands to reduce frizz. For coarse or dry hair, increase quantity moderately. For finer hair, use 1/4 to half the amount and concentrate on ends. Make sure to blend at seams for uniform texture. To finish, style with a diffuser on low heat or allow hair to air dry for best definition. Once dry, use a tiny dab to smooth flyaways. Maintain results by refreshing with 1/4 pump on dry days and sealing ends at night. If hair feels greasy or weighed down, clarify with a gentle co-wash or dilute your next application by mixing a bit of water or leave-in to reduce concentration. This troubleshooting step resets your base, so the cream works as intended next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.